guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are all having a fantastic day. Today we're doing another Test It Out Tuesday. If you are new here to the channel, basically Test It Out Tuesday is where I'm testing out a brand new product. We're going to try it out, put it on the face, see how we like it, do a little first impressions. That's pretty much what it is. I feel like I've been doing a lot of these, so if you want to check out my full Test It Out Tuesday playlist, I'll be sure to link that below in the description box, as well as everything that I'm wearing on my face. That'll be all down below. This is the brand new e.l.f. Cosmetics Modern Minerals collection. Yes, so I did order this with my own money. This is the box set. So this collection here, it says on the back, a team of beauty influencers hand-selected these shades to inspire your next look. The Modern Minerals collection was designed in partnership with e.l.f.'s community. And this kit includes everything you need to create a stunning look that's totally Instagram worthy. So I guess a bunch of influencers helped put this collection together. That's really awesome. And of course this is cruelty free and vegan. The box set retails for $32. I did purchase this with my own money. This is a value of $36, so you do save a few bucks if you want to buy the entire collection. You do have the option though on the website to buy each product individually. The two lip products, there's a gloss and a liquid to matte lipstick. Those retail for $6 each, and then both of the palettes are $12 each. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, I love that feeling. Just throw it on the floor. Oh, look at that lip color. I'm obsessed with orange. Who am I? I don't know. I don't normally like orange, but I'm obsessed with orange. I think the one thing I'm really excited about is the eyeshadow palette. I love the eyeshadow palettes from e.l.f., the 10-pan palettes. If you didn't know, I have pretty much all of them. And I pulled them all out to show that, yes, I love these palettes. If you can't tell, if this is not love, I don't know what love is. I have all of them. They are amazing. They're probably one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes from the drugstore. Alright, let's go into the eyeshadow palette first. I already primed my eyes with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. Anti-aging. Alright, I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here. It looks like a nice transition color, and it is matte. I'm just going to put this in the crease. Nice warm crease shade. So with these palettes from e.l.f., you get a little bit of kickback, not a whole lot. And here's what the palette looks like. And I just, you know, nothing crazy. I'm going to be a little brave today. I'm going to take that blue shade, and we're going to put that on the outer V and see how that goes. I'm going to take a very small amount of this and start up. Whoa, oh my god. I barely have any of this on my brush, and it is like, holy moly pigmentation. Did you guys see that? I hope I caught that on camera, because wow. And I'm going to take the e.l.f. crease brush, which I love this little guy, and I'm just going to go very softly and blend this. I think I'm going to try to take a little bit of this color here. It's kind of an interesting shade as well. It's pretty much, whoa, look, can you see how pigmented that is? Definitely tap off your brush on that one. I'm going to go right along the edge of that blue with that shade. And I'm going to go back into the blue again. So it's going to be a lot of back and forth. I'm not adding any additional product. I'm just going through with that same brush. Just going through the crease a bit. So I'm actually going to take that purple shade right here. I'm just going to go all along my bottom lash line. We are feeling very festive today with our skull water mug thingy. Gotta stay hydrated while we blend. We're doing all those calories blending. Okay, I wiped off my little e.l.f. crease brush, and I'm just gonna go right underneath there. And I'm just blending the edge. I'm not going over the color because I want the color to be there. I want it to stay. I'm gonna build up that purple one more time. So far, I think everything's blending really nicely. These feel like the same type of formulation of the other eyeshadow palettes from e.l.f. as well. This shade I'm going to put on the lid, and then this will be the inner corner one. I'm just taking a flat brush. This is the E113. Shall I say? Oh wow. I'm applying this dry. I'm going to apply both shimmery eyeshadows dry. I can definitely tell when a shimmery shade is going to be good when you can very easily pick it up dry on a flat brush like this and apply it dry, and it's very intense and applies really nicely and you don't have to wet it. I'm going to go through with my little blending brush again and just make sure to soften the edges here. Make sure everything's blended. Oh, this is a good inner corner highlight. Wow. And I'm applying this dry. Do you see the difference? This has nothing. This has just a little bit. Wow. Shazam. Look at that. Oh, that is so pretty. Alright, so that's everything I'm going to use from the palette. I'm going to pop some black liner. This one is from Real Her Cosmetics. It's my waterline. I'm going to do mascara, the usual. Again, all the products will be below. I'm going to pop on a wing with the NYX liner and Kiss Lashes. And I'll be right back. Alright, moving on to the highlighter and blush palette. This looks so gorgeous. These are colors that I really love to wear. I think the best option would be this one here. So I'm going to take this middle shade. It looks like a really nice mauve pink. I'm using the LA Colors blush brush. Very pigmented, a little bit of cake back, but wow. Ooh, a little powdery, but that is very pigmented. I've been really loving applying more blush, like heavier on the blush lately. Oh yeah, I love this. This is a nice color. Wow, very pigmented, blends super easily. Yeah, I can get down with this formula. It definitely reminds me of the Studio blush palettes. I have all of those as well because I love them. And it feels like a very similar formula. I guess we can try it. I'm going to try the middle shade here. Definitely way too dark. But it's very pretty though. I hope you guys can see that. This is definitely coming off more golden than I thought, because in the pan it looks very, I don't know, like a blushy color. I'm going to go in with this shade here because this is the lightest, looks like the lightest one. So I'm just going to wipe off my brush, pick up a little bit of this. This definitely looks very yellow golden, but let's put a little of this on top. Pop a little on my nose and a little on the Cupid's bow. Yeah, definitely I would say this shade is more wearable for me personally. Ooh, look at that Cupid bow highlight. Ooh, I like that. Okay, I'm really liking that. That is really pretty. These look very, like, it doesn't look super intense on the skin, but if you layer it up, it can give you that, like, ooh, look at that cheekbone pop. Love this. Love. I'm really impressed. Alright, let's go ahead and try out the two lip products. I'm going to do the gloss first. Beautiful. This packaging, oh, I just can't get over it, guys. It's so sleek. So it does have a scent. Smells like cake. Oh, it smells good. It smells like vanilla. And this looks like it has a clear base with just a ton of glitter. Well, let's put her on. I don't have anything on my lips. I wiped them off. I had chapstick on. So I'm just going to put this on bare lips. Ooh. Ooh. Elf. Oh my god. This formula is so nice. So here is what the gloss looks like. Just on its own, by itself, on bare lips. The formula is really nice. It feels hydrating. It's not sticky whatsoever. It's really creamy. This definitely feels like a different formula. It kind of reminds me of the Alyssa Ashley gloss. It's thinner in consistency. It's not as thick. And obviously this is clear, so there's not any like really intense pigment. So the only issue I have with this gloss is that when you rub your lips together, you can kind of feel the grit of the glitter, because this is thicker, chunkier glitter It's not like so gritty that I want to just take it off. It feels very comfortable. I'll definitely have to keep testing this out because if I really love this, I'll probably have to buy a backup because this is just so gorgeous. It is a beautiful gloss. Alright, let's go ahead and try on the liquid to matte lipstick. This is a beautiful kind of burnt orange color. I'm really curious about this one. I don't know why, but mine is kind of leaking. I had to wipe off the bottle. But I don't know if you can see this or not, but it's like leaking. Some of this color was actually leaking outside the bottle of mine for some reason. So here is the liquid lipstick color. This is a beautiful burnt orange. I am loving this color. I don't have any liquid lipstick this particular shade in my collection, so I am definitely loving it. Not sure how I feel with the formula. The formula feels very watered down for some reason and not as creamy as I remember the other liquid lipsticks from e.l.f. because I do have, I think, almost all the shades, the original shades they came out with. And also this one was leaking. I did not apply this very well, so I'm sorry. This is like a horrible lip swatch. I'm pretty happy with, I mean, the highlighter I love, the blushes I love in here. I already know I'm going to be reaching for this a ton. The formula is really great, really smooth. Thumbs up for the highlighter and blush palette. Love this palette. I was really worried about combining like the blue and the purple, but they're very muted colors. They're not as bright as you think they might be in the pan. This formulation is the same as the other 10 pan eyeshadow palettes from e.l.f., which I love. Fantastic. Love the mattes. Very blendable. The gloss is beautiful. I like that it's not super sticky. Unfortunately, the glitter does feel a little bit gritty on the lips. If you rub your lips together, you kind of feel it. So that might be something to really think about. If you don't like that in a lip gloss, you might want to pass on this. The liquid lipstick color, love the color. I wasn't too happy with the formula. I don't know if I got a bad one, but it was very runny. Like the formula of this one was really like just kind of going all over the place. So my application didn't go over so well, but the color is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. This is the perfect fall shade. That is everything, you guys. I'm really happy how everything turned out. Everything blended really nicely. I mean, overall, I think this collection as a whole across the board is really nice. So that is everything, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to check out the description box. I will have everything listed down below and linkable so you guys can go and shop if you want to, and everything that I'm wearing on my face, I'll be sure to list that below as well. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and Facebook. I am all over social media, so if you want to go follow me, go follow. And if you are new here to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's completely free, and I post new videos on every Tuesday, Friday, and sometimes on Sunday, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, every single week. I will catch you all in the next video. Remember, smarter beauty is better beauty. Bye, guys.